Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a digital marketing job with absolutely zero experience. Okay, you're a complete beginner. Maybe you're a college graduate right now with no experience and you're thinking about getting into it. Or maybe you're someone that doesn't want to go to college and start doing marketing as a career like I did. Or maybe you're trying to change careers. So you're new to this channel, which you probably are, or you're new to me, which again, you probably are. My name is Anpei, and I teach people how to get jobs in digital marketing. And these were people with no previous experience, no skills, and no college degree. Not only this, I'm also going to be sharing you my exact journey and everything I did to get started in my digital marketing career and start making a six-figure income from my digital marketing career only 6 months after dropping out of college. So I'm going to be breaking all that down inside this video. Now, if you think these types of videos are super helpful to you and if you want more stuff like this, make sure to click like and subscribe for this video and click the notification bell because I'm going to be making a lot more stuff just like this. So my background started in around 2016, 2017, around the time I graduated high school. And I went to college for about a semester. I did not like it. I thought it was a waste of my money and I thought it was a waste of my time. And I felt like somewhere in my mind that I didn't need this degree to get a successful career. So I just kind of ignored what everyone else said, which was, in hindsight, the best decision I ever made. And I dropped out of college and I started trying to learn marketing and digital marketing myself. And so one of the first things I did to get started in my career was actually just learn the basic knowledge and the most in-demand skills in marketing. Now, what mostly people do when they try to learn themselves is that they learn all these random skills that have nothing to do with what the job market actually wants and needs and what companies are actually hiring for, which is going to be a massive waste of your time. And so I'm just going to tell you what companies need right now. Most companies that are hiring for digital marketers, they need someone that understands paid advertising or SEO or email marketing or understands e-commerce or data analytics. These are the 5 biggest skills in marketing, and data analytics I don't really like to mention because it takes a lot of technical skills and it could take really long to learn. You probably need to learn SQL, Python, you need to do coding, so it's kind of like one side marketing, one side a lot of coding and programming. So the main ones for digital marketing is email marketing, doing automation, email, paid advertising, which is Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google search ads, any type of ads you see online, that's what it is. Or lastly, optimizing e-commerce products for a marketplace like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart. These are big marketplaces and they hire marketers to actually set up their products for them and optimize the SEO and the paid advertising inside to make sure it fits what the company needs. To make sure to get the most revenue out of those sites, because obviously most people buy stuff from Amazon and that's how these companies make a lot of money. So those are the 4 biggest skills that you can learn. Now, another thing you want to do is you want to get a mentor, someone that actually works in the field. Now, don't go through the trouble of learning from someone that took 6 to 8 years to actually work in digital marketing. Trust me, it does not take that long. You don't have to go to college for 4 years and spend another 2 years looking for a job. No. Getting your first job in marketing should be pretty fast if you do it the right way and you have the right mentorship and guidance. See, the problem is most students get guidance from people that literally never even work in the field. For example, college professors and teachers. They're teaching marketing even though they've never done it in their life, or they've only done teaching it. They've only taught it, which is totally not a good place to go. Or they learn it from someone who inefficiently got the result they wanted. Getting a job in marketing should only really take you 1 to 6 months. If you're really lazy about it, 6 months at most. But for most people, go to school for 4 to 8 years and they get entire year lost learning the wrong things, and then another 2 to 3 years trying to pick the right marketing career for them. They spend a total of like 5 to 7 years trying to get to where they are. But in reality, it shouldn't take that long. But however, because that's all they know, that's what they teach their students. You have to go to school for 4 years. You have to do this. You have to do this. And it's a massive time waster. So you want to find someone that got the result you want to get, which is maybe a 6-figure digital marketing career, as quickly as possible. Now, let me just give you some examples of people who actually did this, who you might see on YouTube. John Crestani worked in marketing. He was making a 6-figure income at one point, or he was making $75,000 within his first year. Eric Su, who has a marketing channel, owns a marketing agency. Within 6 months, I think he was making $85,000, $100,000 per year from his working in marketing doing SEO. And obviously me, within 6 months, I was making past 6 figures. You can listen to any of us. Eric Su kind of goes into detail, not as much as I do. And John Crestani goes into a bit of detail, but he usually teaches affiliate marketing. So I guess the only advice you can get is from me. Too bad. But you want to learn from people that actually got to the result as efficiently and as quickly as possible. Yes, they may have a 6-figure income, but they won't give you the right steps because it took them about 4 to 8 years. You want to get the result as quickly as possible, I'm assuming. So I actually have a mentor that knows what they're doing and can help you through the roadmap, whether it's working with John Crestani, working with me, or working with Eric Su. I don't think the other two are really an option because they kind of work on their own stuff. If there's anyone else that knows how to do this, by all means, comment in the section below, but I don't know anyone else that job hops that did it as quickly as we did. So there's only really one other person that I know on YouTube that was able to get to a 6-figure income as quickly as I did. So I'm not saying, I'm the only one that knows all this. I'm not. But the only other person that was really able to efficiently grow their career quickly within 6 months and make it past 6 figures was Eric Su. Has owns Single Grain now. He's actually CEO now, who owns a digital marketing agency, and he does give some pretty good tips in marketing, but not as good as mine, obviously. Pretty good still. That's obviously because he focused on giving business advice, and versus me, I just help people get jobs in marketing. So Eric still actually did the same way. He started working for free, kind of got the same result. He learned SEO, and then he was able to make a 6-figure income. But let me actually break down what him and I did to get our 6-figure income. And this is also based on what he said. So what you really want to do first is you want to start learning the basics of marketing. I highly recommend it through a program where someone's teaching you step by step. And then you want to start working for free. Now, a lot of people just bitch and complain about working for free. They don't like it. They think it's lower than them or something. And I just say get over it. You only do it once. You literally have no leverage when you have no experience, and nobody's going to want to pay you for someone that has no experience. So the way you get past the experience gap is you want to work for free. And this is why I also tell you to have a mentor that actually shows you how to do it correctly. But once you do work for free and you do a good job, then you have something to put in your resume and you actually have experience now. So now that you have experience, what it really comes down to is having a good resume, a good cover letter, and knowing how to interview. And just from this and knowing how to job search correctly, because most people apply to hundreds of companies with the exact same resume and the exact same cover letter, they don't really stand out. It's not really significant to the company, and because each company looks for something different. But if you're able to have a good resume written for you and be able to catch the hiring manager's attention and pass the interview, your chances of success are going to be much higher. So that's exactly how you actually do this. Now, if you want me to actually show you over the shoulder, step by step, to making 6 figures in my digital marketing career within just 6 months of dropping out of college and having no previous work experience when I started, if you want me to show you step by step how I literally did this, I have free trainings. Click the link below, and it's going to take you to my website where you just sign up to attend. And in this training, I show you literally step by step how to go from having no experience to making over 6 figures, start making money with their digital marketing jobs. And these people mostly had no experience when they started, and a lot of them had no degrees either. Also, let me know what kind of stuff you want to learn about, because the channel is going to be mainly focused on marketing jobs, marketing careers, digital marketing, and online jobs. So if you want to learn more about that, just comment below and I'll try to make a video when I have time.